Have you ever said, I know I'm safe, but my body doesn't believe it? Maybe your heart races for no reason, or you freeze during conflict, even when nothing is actually wrong. That's not weakness. That's your nervous system trying to protect you. Welcome to Mind Made Clear, where mental health meets clarity. We believe therapy should feel less like a mystery and more like a map. Many people begin therapy unsure of what to expect or what kind of approach will actually help. CBT, ACT, ECFT, or EMDR. Don't know the difference? You are not alone. So, if you're asking, what kind of therapy is right for me? Let's find your fit together. Today, we're exploring Somatic Experiencing, or SE, a body-based approach that helps release trauma, stress, and anxiety that get stuck in the nervous system. Fasten your seat belts, set your seat to upright position, get ready for takeoff to mind clarity. What is it? Somatic Experiencing was developed by Dr. Peter Levine, who asked a simple question: why do wild animals experience life-threatening events but rarely show trauma, while humans often carry it for years? His answer: animals naturally discharge the energy of threat through movement and shaking. Humans, however, often suppress that response, trapping the survival energy in the body. SE helps your body complete what it couldn't finish back then, slowly releasing that stored tension and restoring a sense of safety and flow. Who is it for? Somatic Experiencing is especially helpful for people who've experienced trauma, chronic stress, panic, or dissociation, situations where the body still reacts as if the danger never ended. It's also used for burnout, medical trauma, or emotional overwhelm when talk therapy alone hasn't helped. If you've ever said, I understand what happened, but I still feel it in my body, SE might be the approach that bridges that gap. How does a session look like? An SE session feels calm, slow, and safe. You won't be asked to relive trauma or tell the full story right away. Instead, your therapist helps you tune into subtle sensations: warmth, tightness, shaking, tingling, breath, and notice how your body responds. You might move between feelings of tension and calm, learning to gently pendulate, shift between stress and relaxation, so your system can release energy naturally. It's less about talking, more about listening to your body. How does the process look like? SE is rooted in nervous system regulation, helping your body find its natural rhythm again. You'll work with the autonomic nervous system, which has two main states: the sympathetic system, responsible for fight or flight; the parasympathetic system, responsible for rest, recovery, and connection. Trauma can trap you in one of these states, hyper-alert or shut down. Through gentle awareness, grounding, and micro-movements, SE helps the body safely release stored activation and rediscover balance. In simple terms, it teaches your body, the danger is over. Let's return to Rohan, the same person we followed through other therapy approaches. Even after years of emotional work, Rohan still wakes up with muscle tension and a racing heartbeat. He says, my mind feels calm, but my body's stuck in overdrive. His therapist suggests somatic experiencing, focusing on the body instead of thoughts. In the session, the therapist invites Rohan to notice sensations, not stories. At first, Rohan feels tightness in his chest, a familiar pressure he's always tried to ignore. The therapist says, let's stay curious. Where does that tightness want to go? Rohan takes a slow breath. The tension rises into his throat, then softens into trembling in his hands. He worries he's doing something wrong, but the therapist reassures him, that's your body releasing what it's been holding. Let it move. Tears follow. Quiet, unexpected relief. After several sessions, Rohan describes feeling lighter, not because he talked it out, but because his body finally let it out. He says, I didn't know how much energy I was spending keeping my body tense. That's the magic of somatic experiencing. It helps the body complete the story the mind already understood. Healing doesn't just happen in thoughts. It happens in the nervous system. Try it yourself. Here's a small somatic experiencing inspired practice you can try right now. Take a slow breath and scan your body. Notice one area that feels tense and one area that feels calm or neutral. Now gently shift your attention back and forth between the two. This is called pendulation, reminding your nervous system that you can move between activation and calm safely. Now, a quick fit check. Ask yourself, do I feel stress or fear in my body even when my mind knows I'm safe? Do I struggle with tension, numbness, or unexplained exhaustion? Do I want an approach that helps me feel safe, not just think safe? If yes, Somatic Experiencing might be your fit, especially if you're ready to reconnect your mind and body in the healing process. That's Somatic Experiencing therapy. Gentle, sensory, and deeply restorative. It reminds us that the body is not the problem. It's the place where healing begins. If this approach resonates with you, share your thoughts in the comments. Does Somatic Experiencing feel like your fit? And tell us which therapy you'd like us to explore next. Don't forget to subscribe, because when your mind and your body are made clear, you live lighter.